Trim is really weird.
Good thing with the training wheels, so it can't hit the propeller against anything.
Oh, the home screen.
Am I going the wrong way?
And then to have it, like, if you don't want to use it anymore, you have to
I gotta get it trimmed out. That's the big thing.
So is the gray thing, gray cover okay?
What's that? I don't need any of that. Color gray is fine.
Okay, now I gotta get it back.
Still pretty good.
Yeah.
That's full power, huh?
Yeah, because I think what happens, it gets into ground effects and it gets more lift.
Yeah.
So it lifts up and then it gets up into the real air.
And
They can't do it anymore. That's wild. There's ground effects for you.
Not even that much anymore.
No. Okay, time for